Now coming to the next video, where we have written all the target delta tables in different format, and we have created catalog under the catalog underscore dev 2025 and then table dev here. Now what's our objective in this video? We are going to learn how to import another file with the same part or with the supporting part. For this I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to jump into my data storage account. This is my storage account. Containers. Inside this container, I'm going to add another directory. This is a raw support. This would be another file which I'm going to create, and I'm going to import into my Databricks workspace and going to make a join. So I'm going to upload this file manually. You can write, obviously you can write there also. So I'm going to upload this file here manually. You can write through ADLS or PySpark code as well. Now go back here where I can write my PySpark code with the certain schema so that I can map proper values. So here we have customer ID, CVV number and city. Go back to my storage account. If you look at support customer data, edit, can you see customer ID, CVV and CV number and city as well. Okay. Now I'm going to display another things. This would be a reading part. So I'm going to read this data set in a new variable df2 in a CSV format. Header, first row would be a header and this would be the schema 2. Now this is not the so, rather this is a raw underscore support, and all CSV file will be imported into DFT. If you want to display DFT, you can display this df2. Now whatever we have imported, that has been stored in DFT. This have not written in your local catalog or local schema. So what you need to do, you will have to write this data set under database dev 2025 again with the table dev 2025, and here you will have to need this data set. Now I'm going to use that write command again so that I can write another data for my DLT tables. So I'm going to write this df2. This is going to write in the delta format, override, and this would be the same path. So allow me to give the same path here, copy this catalog and everything, but C, go down and replace this part. This time I'm going to use this not as a support, not as a table, but as a support dev 2025. So I'm going to use at support table dev 2025. Okay, so this is gonna write. There might be some issues, so allow me to fix that error. That error was just because of that column name. Here you can see CVB underscore number was there, CVB space number was there. It's not allowing any space in between name value. I had changed this CVB underscore number here, and this is the Spark table which I just written here. First I'm going to read here, and this column is now changed, and then I'm going to display this one. This is showing the correct updated column name, and now I have corrected display this value or written this table in the same address. If you go back here in the catalog option, now you can see nothing is there, only database dev and table dev 2025 is there. It's supposed to have support underscore table underscore dev 2025 as well. If you expand this table here, now can you see this is showing support table dev 2025 also. If you want to preview this data set, click on it, go back to your sample data here, and you can find all respective rows, CPP number, city, and customer ID as well. If you click on overview view, you will find something strange. What is the different part here? This is managed table. If you look at this interior part, this is automatically perform optimization by Databricks only. Automatic storage cost reduction is provided. Secure access for external tools also there. If you are not using this delta format, which is by default storage type, it will be not, all these facilities are not giving here. So this, if it is external storage or something else, you will have to take care of all these parameters manually. This is how we have done with these two files for our Delta Live tables or Lakehouse declarative pipeline. In next video, we will create Delta Live tables architecture, medallion architecture, silver, gold. Before this, we will create bronze layer as well. Keep learning, keep growing.